Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Lexus LS 500 in black with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 59,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, panoramic sunroof, 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocje.com, stock number 90985A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.